Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share my top 5 picks for the best pool pumps on Amazon. A pool pump will help to keep bacteria at bay and help to run the water through your filtration system. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Hayward PowerFlow Dual Speed. Built for quality and efficiency, with extra versatility served, the Hayward PowerFlow Dual Speed is a great option for any type of pool. Due to its size, the pump has a large capacity for filtering water, capable of meeting the needs for maintaining a big swimming surface. With an industrial-sized stainer, it can pick up large debris and has a large enough size to collect a large quantity before you have to empty it. Furthermore, a large and heavy-duty Hayward motor is included, which will perform well for a long time and has an automatic thermal overload protector to keep it safe when needed. On the other hand, the high-performance impeller has wide openings, so if large debris does get through, it will not clog up the impeller. What we like about it? High-performance impeller with a wide opening. Dual speed options. 1.5 HP. Number 2. PenterTan Variable Speed. Variable speed technology costs significantly less to operate, and that's one of the many reasons why the PenterTan Variable Speed pool pump should be your top choice. The savings are based on a variable speed pump compared to a single speed pump running 12 hours per day at an average of $0.16 per kilowatt hours in a 20,000 gallon. Moreover, as an option rated with an Energy Star, you will save money in the long run by paying lower electricity bills. Ideal for pools in a regular size, the pump works with up to 1.5 HP, along with 230 voltage and 60 Hz capacity. And the best part is that it includes a real-time clock with 24-hour memory retention, allowing you to use it smartly, without some additional costs or worries if the pump is on for a longer time. What we like about it? Variable speed pump options. Energy efficient with a validated Energy Star. Ultra-quiet performance. Easy to install. Number 3. Intex Crystal Clear Filter. Designed for above-ground pools, the Intex Crystal Clear Filter pool pump is a very good choice if you want to purchase a pump from an already established manufacturer. With natural sand contained, the water is filtered through without any struggle. As the water goes through the sand, the impurities are filtered out, leaving your water clear and fresh. You can control several functions together with the speed, using a control valve that allows you to set it to filter, backwash, rinse, recirculate, drain, and more. Also, you can save some money and take care of the longevity of the filter by closing the system entirely. Managing the filtering effect is important, and with the 24-hour timer included in the system, you can do it over a day. What we like about it? Designed for above-ground pools. Works with 110 to 120 volts to save you some money. Low maintenance. Number 4. Harris ProForce. If you are looking for an affordable and yet efficient option, the Harris ProForce should be your best pick. When you compare such a humble option to some of the similar pumps out there, especially the big-name brands, this one offers great results at a fraction of the cost. Heavy-duty and corrosion-proof materials have been used in its construction, making sure that it will last for years without the risk of damage. In addition, due to the stainless steel motor shaft, you will have a guarantee that no harm can be caused by the water, since the reinforced thermoplastic body only adds to the toughness of the motor. What we like about it? Designed for above ground. 1.5 HP motor for extra power and speed. 115 volts to save you on electricity. Number 5. Hayward Super Speed. As a long-lasting option made to deliver quality, the Hayward Super Speed pool pump will serve you great for many seasons. Besides including large capacity, the pump is made with technologically advanced features and a cost-efficient design. By being well-balanced, it is one of the best pumps for swimming pools available on the market. And besides being used for the in-ground pools, it can be good for your spa too. High flow rates are produced by the Hayward Normal impeller, designed to do more with less horsepower than the other pumps. Running a pump has never been easier and cheaper. What we like about it? Heavy-duty and high-performance motor. Lets you see when the basket needs to be cleaned. Includes swing away hand knobs for easier strainer cover removal. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.